All right, everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to save money by bulk deleting unsubscribers. Let me tell you why you would do that. First of all, one quick way to save money is if instead of paying monthly like you do here, you could pay annually and save 14.9%. To pay annually, you would just click there. You can save a little money by going quarterly. For the sake of this example, we're just going to show you the billed monthly rate. Okay, now 0 to 500 subscribers is $19 per month, billed monthly. So what happens if you get to 501 subscribers? How much does it cost? Well, 501 to 2,500 is $29 a month, so it's just $10 more. Okay, now deleting, here's the thing you need to keep in mind. When this says subscribers, they're talking about active subscribers and unsubscribed subscribers. The easy way to think of it is just number of email addresses on your list. Okay, so the number, and so think of this in terms of, instead of thinking in terms of subscribers, think of it in terms of the number of email addresses. So you could have 500 people who are active subscribers and want to receive email from you, on your email list. And you might have, maybe it took you a year to get to that 500 level, all right? Now, over the course of that year, everybody who signed up didn't stay signed up. Let's just say over the course of 12 months, 100 people unsubscribed. So now you actually have 600 email addresses in your account. So that's over 501. So it's subscribers and unsubscribers, but essentially, when they talk about subscribers, they're talking really about email addresses. That's the simplest way to think about it. People don't think about it until they get popped up into a higher payment bracket and they don't understand why. So 500 subscribers plus 100 unsubscribers gives you a total of 600 on the list. You're going to pay $29 a month. Now, why would somebody even want to keep an unsubscriber on your list? Because you may want to go back and try to analyze the data later. Aweber charges you to store the unsubscribers or unsubscribed email addresses because it stores, let's just say they were on your list for 6 months. It stores the number of emails they opened and the number of times they clicked through. So when they unsubscribe, you can look back and say, maybe you don't, maybe just analyze it once a month or once every 3 months or so, and once a quarter. And you look at all the unsubscribed and you realize, what, most of the people that unsubscribed from my list never opened up any emails other than the welcome aboard email, that type of thing. So it saves the emails, even though they're unsubscribed, so that you can analyze the data later if you need to. But you may say, you know what, I looked at them, I don't need to save them, I don't need any data, I just want to get rid of them. So in this case, we have 500 subscribers, 100 unsubscribed, 600 on the email addresses on the list total or in the account. This would be for all lists in one particular account. Okay, so there's 600. Let's delete those and bring the price down to $19 a month. Okay, so this is how we do it. I'm going to click on this tab. I'm going to go to an account that's already logged into. Make sure up on the left, upper left, make sure you're on the right email address. Obviously, go to subscribers, click subscribers. Down here, show all is chosen automatically. And when you do that, you can see that there are subscribers and unsubscribers on the list, right? You can see that. So if you want to get rid of an unsubscriber, you can do a couple like that manually and then just click delete. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now you can also say, I'm going to start bulk deleting, but they're all together, right? Subscribed and unsubscribed. So what you want to do is click on the unsubscribed list or segment, the unsubscribed segment of this one list. You get that? You can't mouse over that until you choose something. So we chose that. So there's 20 on this page. Let me scroll down. Okay, so there's many pages, and on this, it's just showing 20 per page. If you want to download the email addresses before you delete them, just click Export CSV. I showed you how to do that in another video tutorial. Okay, so there you go. We've selected 20 that I want to delete, right? But before I do that, I want to let you know you also have the option right here. There's 734 total unsubscribers on this segment of the list. This is just the unsubscribers, even though they call them subscribers, they're unsubscribed, okay? So let's select all 734. And if you go to scroll down and go to each page, they're all unsubscribed. But I'm going to undo that. I just want to get rid of these 20. I just want to delete these 20 unsubscribed. I don't need the data. So I'm going to click Actions here. I'm going to click Delete. Are you sure you want to delete 20 subscribers? Yes, I do. And we've gone over already at length the reasons why someone would want to do that. Okay, click Delete. And there you go. So a minute ago, we had 700 and 34 on this segment of the list, on the unsubscribed, okay? So there's 714 on the unsubscribed, and if you go to subscribed, you can see that's a different number. There's 600, and altogether, I guess that's a good way to explain it. There's 599 there. We've got 714 there. So if you show them all, there's 1,313 on this one list of subscribers and unsubscribers, but you're charged for all of them. So delete the ones you don't need. That's the moral of the story. If I scroll down, there you go. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.